Sharp edges, loud noises, high winds, rainy conditions, open holes, loose handrails. Make sure you check your fire extinguishers. Drink plenty of water. Do not operate equipment if you are not certified to operate. Let's have a good day.
Thank you, sir. Hey there, I'm Cody. I'm here to tell you why being a plumber isn't just a gig. It's a career packed with challenges and chances to prove yourself. Every day can kick off differently from the next. From installing pipes to tackling intricate issues, there's never a dull moment. As a plumber, precision is key. It's about ensuring each piece fits properly, because when the whole system clicks into place, the building runs like a well-oiled machine. But what makes plumbing stand out is the crew you roll with. Teamwork from your fellow team members can make each day more enjoyable. Plus, picking up tricks of the trade from seasoned mechanics is downright inspiring. When it comes to daily grind, it's all about welding hand tools, hanging pipes, sourcing materials, and mapping out layouts. Every move counts. So if you're after a career that's hands-on, fulfilling, and ripe for opportunity to grow, plumbing and construction might just be your calling.